Hey guys, I cannot believe it. I just finished nursing school. It's like a dream come true. So if you want to see how I made my grad cap, just stay tuned because we're about to get creative. So Hobby Lobby is like my favorite craft store in the world, so it's only right that I had to go there to get my stuff. So I got these white flowers, some sunflowers, large and small. I honestly didn't even end up using the big ones, and I didn't end up using any of these stickers. But I got these sunflower stickers, these nursing stickers. I got these glue sticks for my hot glue gun at home. And I also got these paint brushes. These are for the finer details, and these ones are going to be for like the mixing and for the bigger stuff. Now I'm going to link, well not link, I'm going to put all of the paint colors in the description box, so don't worry about that. And of course I always get a snack or some type of candy whenever I go to Hobby Lobby. So I didn't do anything special. I just stuck 2 pieces of black construction paper together with tape, and then here's me doing my sketch of the actual graduation cap. So all of the paint that I used was by the same brand. It's by Anita's. So I went ahead and used the dark red for the cross. Now I honestly thought when I started, I thought I had too much paint. It was just going to soak through and it wasn't going to be a good thing at all. But it actually turned out to be really good once everything started drying up. So next I used the antique gold and the bark brown to make the color for the band-aids, and I used a hint of the dark red to offset the colors a little bit, and it actually turned out to give me the exact color that I was looking for. So while the band-aids were drying, I decided to touch up the cross again because it was a little dry now. And y'all, I thought I was gonna have to start all over again because this cross was not getting it together. Like, this cross gave me the hardest time of the entire piece. So for the lips, I mixed royal blue and the dark red. And I think next time I'll probably do the lips on top of the skin color after I paint it all. But yeah, so then after that, I went ahead and painted the band-aids again since they were dried up a little bit to get some more color to them. So for the needles, I used Stormy Blue and Sorbet with a hint of warm white to get this light gray color. And then for the syringes, I used Royal Blue and Christmas Green with a hint of warm white to get this really light turquoise color. Y'all, drawing these straight lines for these needles was honestly probably comparable to doing the that red cross because it was so hard to keep my hand steady. So I used light buttermilk and the band-aid color to do that, I guess like the padded portion of the band-aid, so it'll be a little bit lighter so you can actually tell that it's actual band-aid. Honestly, the fine tuning brushes helped out a lot. Like, it was almost like drawing with a pencil, but like a wet pencil. But of course I still have my brain farts. Like, to everybody that thinks I just do this effortlessly, like, no, like, and here I go again with the cross, the red cross again. So I'm using the light buttermilk color again for the nursing cap. Now this honestly took a little minute because I had to use a fine tuning brush to do the curves in her hair, like to do like the natural look, and I also had to use the fine brush for pretty much molding the red cross again to make sure that it was pretty much perfect. Honestly, at this point in the grad cap painting process, I was starting to get really excited because my ideas were starting to come together. So here I used the antique gold with the brown to mix, pretty much make my skin color, and I was just pretty much adding the brown and adding the white until it kind of came out to the color that was closest to my skin tone. So like I said before, I kind of wish that I would have did the lips on top of the skin after I did everything, but using that fine brush, like everything was, I mean, it was literally like a pencil. So my camera cut off, but I put a little dot of white to make her teeth, and I mixed the brown and a teeny dot of black to do her hair color so it wouldn't be so brown or so black. So a little bit of the brown from the Band-Aid like smeared off of my hand, and I covered up with the black, but I should just left it alone because it was way too dark. So here I was using the warm white to do the, I guess, calligraphy. This was so hard. Like, I do not recommend that you hand paint these letters. Like, it was so hard. My hand was cramping. Like, if I would have did this, if I had a longer name or put more phrases on this, I honestly probably would have had carpal tunnel by the time I finished this. Like, my hand was cramping so bad, but I just wanted to get everything done. I was just so excited. I was in the zone. So I was really focused, but like my hand was cramping, my back was cramping, my neck was cramping. Like, it was just, but it turned out great. And then I did the same for the syringes. I put BS in because I have a bachelor's of science in nursing. So I took the flower heads off of the stems, and then for the white flowers, I just cut them at the base. It was about 3 flowers in a bundle, so I just cut at the base of the 3 bundles. And then I used my Mod Podge to give it kind of like a shiny seal. And then I just left it to dry. So this is what it looks like when it's completely dry. I did forget to put the earrings on my girl. So I did that really quick, and after it dried, I noticed I couldn't really like see her hair very well. So I went ahead and outlined it in the gold. I was gonna outline it in the white, but I felt like it would clash or kind of mix with the nurse letters, so I just left that out. So here I took the leaves from the plants, and I kind of just folded them over to kind of make them a little bit closer together so they wouldn't be so wild. And it kind of came out like that. So then I took the sunflowers and clipped the back off so they could lay down more flat. And I just pretty much did all that with the sunflowers and the leaves, and I just kind of glued them on pretty much in just whatever way I saw would look the best. I did a few sunflowers, and then I did a lot of different white clusters to kind of make it all flow and look really, really pretty. And this is the final look, guys. I'm really excited about it. I'm really happy it turned out so well. I really didn't expect it to turn out this well, but you know, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.